Georgia. To like just kind of just transfer planes. Or like catch the bus, because I'm originally from Alabama, so
What part of Alabama?
Montgomery.
Okay. So you get a chance to see a little bit of our city, huh?
Yes. I'm coming from New York.
Oh, okay. You stay in New York now?
Yeah, I've lived in New York since I was a kid.
How you like it up there?
It's like lavish struggle. Pay thousands of dollars to live in a box.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I do a lot from up north, move down here.
Yeah, that's a little bit of a reason why I'm down here. I want to check it out. I feel like New York is a place you live when you have a lot of money, so that you can really enjoy it. Because if you don't, you're gonna end up feeling like you're poor all the time and upset that you can't enjoy the luxuries of New York. Up was amazing. Right here I have catfish, spuds, and French toast. Welcome to the Airbnb. Let's see. Hey MTV, welcome to my crib. Welcome to the Airbnb. This is our cute little kitchen. Yes, 2 entries. And then we have here the first bathroom, which is awfully convenient if you have to piss very quickly. You can't run upstairs. Then we have the dining room, very modern, with this circle chic lighting. Then we have the living room. They could have put a bigger TV, but whatever. We're not here to watch TV. We have some outdoor space over here. And we're headed upstairs, people. We're headed upstairs. This is the master bedroom, guys. Awesome, isn't it? It's huge. You know what I really like is the see-through window. And you can look downstairs. That's fucking awesome. Look how big this is. And look what's attached. The master bathroom. Yeah. We have another little toilet. We have the his and her sink. We have the shower. And most importantly, the sit and standalone tub. Beautiful. Let me open these blinds. Cause I love light. Yes. What's this? Closet. And a mirror. This is cute. There's my closet space. Like, closet here. Closet everywhere. Love it. Love it. And then we have this room, which is super cute. It has super huge closet space. Like, come on, New York wear. This is Georgia, baby. This is definitely Georgia. 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 Oh yes, it's Georgia. Ooh, and we have another bathroom. So yes, we are all set. You've been in MTV Cribs. This will be cool to put all down. The wrong way. First time trying oysters. I am nervous. I'm about to try an oyster right now. I'm scared as hell. Am I supposed to just swallow it whole? First, what's this right here? Just cheese?
Cheese, spinach, and oysters.
I haven't ate the oyster yet. Where is it?
You'll see.
I don't like the texture. You got a slurp or
It's
something?
good. No, it's It's delicious.
I gotta have them fried.
Come on.
I tried it though. I'll eat the rest of the stuff around. Oh, I think I ate it already. I tried it.
No, I mean,
I had this part already.
oh, okay.
I don't know if I ate it or not, but it's gone.
It's good, right? It's probably smaller,
Yeah, it was good though.
right?
Yeah, baby.
Is it good?
Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Hey guys. So this is my little brother, even though he's taller than me.
A little bit, bro.
He's a rapper as well. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
You know what it is, man. J Supreme, man. AKA Lay Big Brother. And
Little big brother. Look who's here. when you're both vlogging. It was funny because we're both vlogging. Hey! Yes! Oh my gosh, it's finally nice to meet you.
Oh, this is what the tennis outfit you was talking about.
Yeah.
Hey,
I was like, let me wear it just in case, you know.
Right. Yeah,
Little something. Hi,
Hi.
nice to meet you. About to do some shooting at the nature reserve. Wow, just right here.
I didn't know you were this tall.
Oh my God, we have
She
some.
just said the same thing.
Oh,
Tall as fuck. It's gorgeous.
I am. And I'm vlogging right now for my YouTube channel. Let me get closer to your logo here. Oops, sorry. These are beautiful. Oh, this ring right here too. Oh wow, this hand piece.
Music off, because if you have it in your video, there.
Oh, they might take it off. You're right. They definitely be doing that.
Wow. Oh, I wish I would have recorded her. Well, she's gonna be gone by the time I get there. We at Cascades Nature Reserve.
Georgia.
I'm not gonna lie.
See all these police out here.
I love seeing a bunch of black people. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, the smoke shot should be
A
right
part
here.
of me still feels
Damn, this shit look crazy. This look like COVID.
This shit look
He said, damn, I need a cigarette. I ain't
right
expecting
here.
to
This
see
is
that.
smoke shot right here.
Shit, with the Stonies? Oh no, smoke shop. Damn, there's mad niggas out here.
Get out.
I've been wondering. This is dope. They got a whole motherfucking drive-through diner. This is some real Atlanta shit right now. Oh shit, crystals! Ain't that like the White Castles down here?
Yeah. Yes, indeed.
Damn, I miss eating beef. Driver. my chest. Some shit is happening, y'all.
They gotta fix it. In the light green. In the light green.
Oh.
There's another one, Candler.
Candler Roll is the hood too?
Mm-hmm.
Oh Lord, we in the hood, y'all.
Don't look that bad though.
So these is projects?
No.
Oh.
We didn't get to Panilla Road yet.
Oh, we didn't get there yet. All right, y'all. I'll be back when we get to Panilla Road. What kind of road is this? We supposed to be turning all the way over here. If you don't know where the fuck you from, I'm sorry. This is an accident waiting to happen if you don't know where you from. This is dangerous, but we gotta pay attention to that light up there. Like that's red. That says we could turn. I guess.
The ongoing track. Turn left where? Right after the train tracks?
Yeah, with these people. Unless right here.
Yeah, it's across the track.
Okay. I'm in the South. That's some South shit.
That shit nice. See that shit?
Which one? This one, right? This one. These are nice houses. To me, stuff like this don't even seem real.
It's probably not even that expensive.
Wow. So it's like a residential area. Look at here on a lawnmower. Oh shit! I only saw this in a movie. Wow. My cousin, Travis, Trapped in Arrow. Ooh. Yes, with all the awards. Oh yeah, I brought you a beer.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This one for you.
Oh, yes. Thank you.
Yes. Woo, this is what I'm talking about, y'all. I'm in Atlanta, Georgia. Nah, this is some rich shit. Yes, I love it. I love high ceilings. Here, let me get closer. Let me get fucking closer right here. Do you guys see that Jay-Z? Nah, I gotta get closer. Right there. Right there. December 4th, me and him are birthday twins. We about to cook some shit up. They call me plump because I got some shape. Look at the tip. Hold on 1 second. I need some water. They call me plump because I got some shape. Look at these titties. Don't look at my waist. When I bust a move, he back for a taste. Look at these titties while I ride your face. I like a foreign, no nigga, don't rent it. He want a bitch that could cook in the kitchen. I want a nigga that like how I'm living. If I ever fucked you, we ain't never fucked. He look at my chest like it's giving him luck. I'm gonna stop there. Punch in there. He'll rookie. Pay. Okay. Pay just P-A, why me now? Pay. Pay. Adios, house. You've been good to us. Georgia.